Hey guys, we're going to teach you today how to replace your brake fluid at the cheapest way. It will save you time and money. Remember, this will not replace bleeding your brakes manually on all four sides, but it will at least extend the longevity of your existing brake fluid and give it a clean look. So before we begin, we need to gather our tools. All you need is a turkey baster, which is $1.25 here. A brake fluid .3. For this vehicle, it uses the .3, and empty water bottle. Our main concept is we're gonna use this turkey baster to gather all the old fluid. We're gonna put those contents in this bottle, and then we're gonna pour in the newer fluid. So in any other car, you need to look for the master reservoir. Usually it's on your left or right hand side. In this 2006 Scion Tc, it's located right here, in here. And you must make sure you read the manual. It says here, taking off the cover, only use .3 fluid. So .3. Now we're gonna begin. Before we begin, make sure we got everything set up and all ready. Now, when you go to a dealership or a shop, their main idea to save time and cost for themselves is to suck out the fluid with a special machine just from the master reservoir. We're going to use a turkey baster. So first we're going to unscrew the master fluid or master cylinder's reservoir. In here, in this container, contains a brake fluid, and from underneath there contains brake fluid that goes all to your brake lines. So first we're going to remove the filter, this thing here. Gonna just place this here. Now we're gonna suck up all the old brake fluid. We're gonna put in this container here. When you open up your brake fluid reservoir, make sure there's no contaminants or water that goes inside it. Gonna do one more squeeze. Once that is done, just gonna place this here. We're gonna put brand new brake fluid into the area. Just gonna poke this hole here. Well, we're just gonna pour brand new brake fluid in here. Gonna put back the filter. Make sure it goes in properly. Once that is done, put the cap back on. There you go. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.